So a lot of you guys don't realize or don't know, but now you do. I enjoy tarot cards. I find them to be fascinating and sometimes magical. And a lot of times correct. So a part of my exploration of all that there is includes the mystical things. So, occasionally to break up some of the seriousness here, I'm going to do very quick and short tarot card readings. Now, I've been doing this my whole life, so one of the things I enjoy doing is yes or no questions. It's fun to just see if there is truly that connection. I'm always looking and studying the connection to the all. So we'll probably go with hot topics and subjects that are, well, current news, current affairs. Won't that be fun? So what do you think? Should we get started with some fun, popular attraction, yes or no tarot questions? Let's ask the deck. Now for clarity, when I'm asking a yes or no question, I pull 3 cards, occasionally 4. But during those 3, I look for cards that are right side up and upside down. More cards that are right side up mean yes. More cards that are upside down mean no. And oftentimes there is the question inside of the cards. Okay? So, just one more time since I was talking. Should we have fun with some popular topic, yes or no tarot readings? Ooh. Well, that would be a definite yes. All cards straight up. We have the Wheel of Fortune. I think we can all kind of get that. Talking about the question of the all, the universe. Then we have the sun. It's shining a light on things. And the Hierophant. Well, you can look a bit closer and see it's a woman and some dudes on their knees. Now, if you know anything else about me, you'll know that that also has some interesting significance. See, as you do this a lot, you will discover other things. Now here is the Empress. You can see her. It's just an extra card, throwing it out there. It's kind of a double confirmation that it's about me. So, and just so you don't think there's any funny stuff, still holding the cards. Let's spread them out. And you can see from the way I was holding them, they're all different. Some are upside down.